Oh my god, I'm so crazy. I just lost the track of my group and now I'm lost in this jungle. I just you'll say, oh, you are in a jungle. No, see this. There are the big buildings and the jungle. This is in Dharavi, Maharashtra Nature Park. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. I am all alone. Bro. Oh my god. You know, it just rained in the morning, so the trees, they still have the tiny droplets of water on them and it feels so nice. Yeah. Yes, feels so nice. Feels so nice. I don't know where's my group, but I will find them soon. Don't you worry, baby. I'm so glad that they preserved some of these places. It's an oasis, really, in a concrete jungle called Mumbai. Oof, the birds. Imagine this is Mumbai. If somebody tells you, oh, where are you? This is like right in Mumbai. Like, oh my god, there's so many of these birds chirping here. This manna is here. I used to do bird watching way back in Hyderabad. You know, it's been ages since I have seen a golden oriole or even a cowcurl is so rare. I don't know. I don't get to see that. Oh, I just saw something. Oh, I think that's an egret. Yeah. The crows, of course. Yeah, so there must be. There's a water body here. An interesting one. Oh, at last, I think I found my group. I think that should be Renee's group. Yes, yes, yes. I found my group. So, I will be now listening to interesting conversations happening. And this is my tree appreciation walk group. I think it is. You know, since it's a monsoon season, still not over, so you have a lot of these trees are green, but flowering is not really happening right now. No, this was not my group. Can you beat it? And this was not my group.
Collapse.
Finally,
So
I found my
make it
group,
this
and this
happen.
is Renee.
And
Yes.
as you will cut it, because mango, you know that it's a beneficial. So this ये मेरा dialogue है. सबसे the wise old people, men and women, that the greed is the worst thing in a human being. Greed. And the best thing is a kindness. There is no virtue to Samant sir, and he had some work. I said, sir, how you are going? He said, I'm going by ST bus. I said, sir, air से नहीं, AC से नहीं, AC train से किसी का ticket नहीं मिलता है. I said, गर्मी में. He says, all in mind. It's all in mind. There is no veg, there is no non-veg. So it's all in mind. Think in 60s and 70s, there is a Meethi river flowing. Meethi river is nothing, the Areka water, clean water.